Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today we have an interesting problem to solve that involves some XML magic. So let's dive right in. You see, the issue at hand is that our XML layout contains a cool-looking arrow, but when we try to display it on the screen, part of the arrow's bottom is mysteriously getting cropped off. Not cool, right? We tried adding margins and paddings, but the problem persisted. It felt like we were playing a game of hide and seek with that bottom part of the arrow. But fear not, because I've got a solution for you. It turns out that all we needed to do was to wrap the arrow item inside an inset. By doing this simple trick, we were able to ensure that the arrow is displayed in its full glory without any parts being cropped off. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective, right? So, by adding that inset tag with a specified bottom inset value, we were able to fix the cropping issue and make our arrow look perfect on the screen. It's amazing how a small change can make a big difference in the overall appearance of our layout. Well, with that problem solved, we can now sit back and admire our perfectly displayed arrow. Remember, sometimes a little wrapping can make all the difference in the world. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.